Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So if you ever wanted to connect your Google Docs to n8n, this video is for you. So let us start with the simple steps. So firstly, from your home screen on n8n, just as you can see, we have our workflow, create a new one. Press on this little plus over here. Now in the search, type in Docs. As you can see, Google Docs, press on this. And now let's, for example, choose an action, create documents. Now guys, under credentials to connect with, create new credential. And now guys, as you can see, we will need to connect. So in here, we will need our client ID and client secret. So for that, open Docs. Now choose create new Google account. Mine is already created. I'm just going to go to console after you create your new account. Just press on console. And now guys, let us create our first project. So let me just create a new one, new project. So let's name it Docs Management, for example. I will leave organization empty, create. And now guys, it's going to create. And the next step is going to be to just choose this project that we just created. All right, so now just press on this select project. As you can see, now we are managing on Docs Management. Great. And now guys, on the left side in here, you need to press on this button. And in this menu on the left, choose OA Youth Consent Screen. Okay guys, so as you can see, our youth platform is not configured yet. This is easy to fix. Press on Get Started. And now guys, just insert the app name, for example, Docs Management. Support email. I'm just going to choose mine. Okay, now before we do everything else, just type in Gmail API in the settings, and we need to enable it first. So let it load and just press on Enable. Okay, it's going to be enabled now in just a second. Okay. All right, as you can see, our API is now active. Okay, guys, and now we can pretty much go back and once again choose APIs and services and consent screen, get started. App name is going to be Docs Management. Insert the email. Next. So this is going to be external. Next. Now choose the email address. Now just press I agree to the terms, continue, and create. Okay, as you can see guys, now we have this created and we can continue. Okay, now guys, just create new OA Youth client in here. Now as you can see, application type, choose any you want. I will just choose web application. I'm just gonna create a Docs Management once again. Press on create. Also don't forget to choose and add your authorized redirect URIs. And now as you can see guys, we have our client ID. So you can pretty much copy it and then just insert it in here. But we still need client secret. So let us get that. All right, so in order to get that, press credentials. Go here. Now under management, click on this. And now we can add secret. As you can see, secret is now added, and now we can pretty much copy it. So just copy secret, insert it in here, sign in with Google, and your account will be now added. So as you can see, credential is successfully created. Now you should get a notification message that you've added your account from Google, and now you will be able to manage your Google Docs easily and automate actions in here in n8n. So you can just close this down. So close. Close that. And as you can see now, our create document action is successfully added. So if you enjoyed this video guys, press like on it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.